Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. Now Ufone is also offering a wonderful offer to all the customer, all the viewers. Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. It's me Shahzad. I hope you all are fit and fine and safe and sound. I'm also doing great. And so today I have come with amazing video because Ufone is offering free offer to all its customer and users. And so it's about the free offer of the WhatsApp to whole month to all the users. So what you need to do, you just need to dial *987# to get your free WhatsApp for whole month. So